I only just started trading before the crisis. How do I survive? So diversification is an absolute key way for you and your business to try and look at different ways and methods to survive at this time. So for instance, can you take anything to a delivery basis? Can you take any of your product line or what services you offer digitally? Can you do anything through a webinar? Can you do anything through a Zoom call? Can you take your whole service online? Can you take any of that to a delivery basis? Those are really, really important ways to look at diversification straight away. Secondly, the customers that you do already have is to make sure you look after them with the best kind of customer service that you can give. Not that you perhaps wouldn't anyway, but to make sure that you're attentive, you're staying in regular communication to their needs, and that you're trying, again, in the crisis, to provide any kind of the services that you give in a more flexible or a different way that will ensure that you keep their business at this really, really difficult time. Also, make sure you've availed yourself of all the information digitally and online through the government support websites and through local business support through your local council, and also that you've reduced your cash flow as best that you can through every means available to you, through the government schemes, through your bank, and make sure that you've spoken to any finance providers so that you attack this on every single front and that you're able to try and trade through and come out the other side. Click the link, find out more.